Hi guys, so this is my video on a brief overview of the 6 kingdoms. The 6 kingdoms are Animalia, Plantae Kingdom, Fungi Kingdom, Bacteria, Archaebacteria, and Protista. The first kingdom we're going to look at is the Animalia Kingdom, which is the animal kingdom, and they are complex organisms with no cell walls. They have specialized organs and are the largest kingdom with over 1 million known species, and they are also heterotrophs. The Plantae Kingdom uses the sun to make sugar through a process known as photosynthesis. They contain chloroplasts, which makes them green, and without plants, life on Earth would not exist because plants feed almost all heterotrophs, and a heterotroph is an organism that eats other organisms, and plants are multicellular and consist of complex cells. Next, we have fungi. Fungi break down materials outside their bodies and then absorb the nutrients from it. Some fungi include mushrooms and molds. Most fungi are multicellular and consist of many complex cells, and they obtain their food from parts of plants that are decaying in the soil. Now we have bacteria, and bacteria are considered to be eubacteria because they do not have nucleus. They may also cause certain diseases like E. coli. This bacteria is the most ones that are familiar with, and although they have a different chemical makeup, they are unicellular organisms. Now we have Archaebacteria, and Archaebacteria does not have a nuclei. They are found in extreme environments with no oxygen or in highly acidic areas. They are single-cell organisms and can be found in the springs of Yellowstone National Park. Protista are classified as eukaryotes. Most are single-celled organisms like slime molds and algae. They include all microscopic organisms that are not bacteria, not animals, not plants, and not fungi, and they are considered to be complex cells. To classify organisms to be placed into their kingdoms, they go off of these requirements. They must have a cell type, either complex or simple, the number of cells, and the ability to make food. And then here are just some vocabulary terms that students should be familiarized with as we go through the lesson: the 6 kingdoms, taxonomy, species, unicellular, multicellular, prokaryote, eukaryote, autotrophic, heterotroph, and vertebrate. And the standards being covered are students who demonstrate an understanding can construct an argument that some animals form groups that help members survive, analyze and interpret data from fossils to provide evidence of the organisms and the environments in which they lived long ago, construct an argument with evidence that in a particular habitat some organisms can survive well, some survive less well, and some cannot survive at all, and make a claim about the merit of a solution to a problem caused when the environment changes and the types of plants and animals that live there may change as well.